Good afternoon. Today is Sunday the 14th of December and I thought we'd do a quick update on the river. Things are very stable as we last predicted it. The peak level was around 1,800, just under 1,800 cubic meters per second. That peak was passed by us by this time. It started dropped here by about 1.5 meters in height, and the dam levels are all of them around 100% with about 1% over or under 100%. Flows into the dams have stabilized. I haven't checked this morning the flows above to see if any heavy rainfall has made a big change. I'll keep an eye on that and do another update as soon as something major changes there. There is a forecast for about 100 to 150 millimeter in a lot of the catchment area over the next 2 weeks, but as we've seen with the previous updates, the forecast didn't realize like that. Yeah, that means levels are lower and things are under control. It seems like Department of Water and Sanitation is committed to doing more about their flood control, as they are bringing it down to 100%, and even Gariepdam is under 100% to stop the electricity generation now, slowing down the outflow. So that seems good. This is the river at this stage. You can see it was up to about where my feet is, just over that level. You see some debris there on the island that's got caught in those trees. That's all for today. I'll keep you updated. See you on the next one. Cheers. And oh, for those who's going to ask, Milo, he did go along for a drive. He didn't want to get off, so I left him up there. See you.